welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do something like this using CapCut templates. Head over to CapCut and right below the CapCut you see the templates. You have been on TikTok, you've seen a lot of videos and you're wondering how is this thing being done. So most of them use templates, and for you to access the template you can come to somewhere like this. This is where you can access the templates. So click on the arrow below, the arrow that you're seeing there, you use templates. So that's how to use it. So if you ask me to select, so you can select pictures, you can select videos, any kind of footage that you want to use. So I'll just come, just pick, let me go to photos. So I think this one just needs about 7 photos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the next thing I'll do just to press next. Just press next here, and it will load it. So you can add text if you want. You can come here, you can add text. You can add text if you want. So I can add my own text to it. I'll just click on the text and press on this add. So just type what you want to type. Say my text. You can style it. You can style it if you want. Style it and change the color. You can change the color. You can increase it. Change it to red. So, but let me do for the one that fits my clothes. That's all. It's coming. Export it. Export it. So now it gives you 2 options: export without watermark, and also gives you the resolution you want to use. I can export without watermark. That's all. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial today. I believe you got some value, and if you like this video and you want more of this video, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you again for another edition of our tutorial on CapCut series. Thank you. Bye.